Hi, I'm Jeff Thika and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Better Packages. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the BP555 electronic tape dispenser from Better Packages. The BP555 is the best-selling electronic tape dispenser in the world and is used by some of the leading fulfillment companies. It is the only electronic tape dispenser that is UL listed and ensures that your workers are operating in a safe environment. The BP555E is targeted toward medium to high volume applications where you're shipping more than 50 packages per day. The BP555 is built on a steel frame that's dipped in zinc to prevent corrosion over the long haul. It's also covered by a high-grade flame retardant plastic. It comes standard with a high-capacity water bottle to ensure maximum productivity, and a state-of-the-art integrated wetting system that ensures the tape is wet consistently from the first inch to the last piece. The BP555E comes standard with a hardened carbon steel blade to ensure it maintains its sharpness over the long haul. It also has an integrated heating system to ensure that the adhesive on the tape performs optimally even in cold environments. The BP555 is simple and easy to operate. You can be up and running in just a few minutes after taking it out of the box. First, fill up the large capacity water bottle with tap water and load it back onto the machine. Then, load the tape as described in the operator's manual. The BP555 can take up to 1,000 foot rolls of tape to ensure maximum productivity and minimum downtime. Next, you select the button that matches the size of your box and push for dispensing. The tape is measured, wet, and cut at 45 inches per second. Put the tape on the box, seal your carton, and you're ready to ship. The BP555E series is also available with optional automatic dispensing to further increase operator productivity. The way that works is you put it into the automatic mode, select the tape length that you want to dispense, and then program it to dispense automatically after that piece is removed. The BP555E series also comes available with the optional automatic measuring device that you see here. The automatic measuring device speeds packer productivity and reduces cost by making sure it has the exact right amount of tape dispensed no matter what the box size. The AMD uses sonar to measure the box length, and when you press the green button, the exact right amount of tape comes out for that specific box. Another productivity enhancing feature is the optional foot pedal. When this is attached to the machine, the dispenser can be activated with an operator's foot, leaving both hands available to increase packer productivity. To summarize, the Better Packages BP555E series is the fastest, safest machine on the market for medium to high volume operations. If you want to learn more about the BP555E series or any of Better Packages dispensers, please visit our website at www.betterpack.com.